babe.
What, you don't want to share?
There's only one backpack. You got those. I'll give you one.
I'll trade? Yeah. I'm probably going to butcher this. Raffaello? That sounds like I'm saying Ralph Yellow. These are so good. Chris introduced me to them. They say it's an almond coconut treat. It's like a little
Slice of heaven.
It's like, it's kind of candy-ish, but it's more so like cookie/cake-ish. You know what I mean? Oh my god, it's so good. So here it is. The best thing on planet Earth.
Right?
When you put a whole one in your mouth.
Yeah.
That's what she said. Okay, BRB. Made it. I hate using a porta-john. What do you guys call them? Do you call them porta potties? Porta-john? I call them porta-john.
Outhouse.
Outhouse.
Old folks' house.
Anyway, let's go. We are currently on our way to Blueberry Golf Course. Chris is gonna buy a bucket of balls. My camera is gonna fall and I'm gonna cry. Chris is gonna buy a bucket of balls and I'm gonna sit there and fuck off for 20 minutes. So I honestly didn't want to go to the golf course, but I know that I always feel so much better when we do go or anytime we get outside. But yeah, I'm getting distracted, so I will see you at the golf course. Dude, is this a tornado?
It's spinning, dude.
Yes or no?
Look at that wall cloud spinning.
Holy shit. Holy shit, I definitely look at it spinning. Oh my god, should we get the fuck out of here? The golf course is right here, right down the road. And as we pulled onto the street, this is what we see. Tell me that's not a tornado in formation. I'm like shaking because I've always been deathly afraid of natural disasters and storms. Holy shit, babe. Look at it on the camera.
That straight up looks like a tornado.
I can't believe we just witnessed that.
Yeah.
My heart sank immediately. You know how deathly afraid I am of natural disasters. Even if there is a potential to be a natural disaster. Ready? The bugs are eating me alive. Okay. You really were only like 15 minutes. Usually when Chris tells me, oh, I'm only going to be 10 minutes max. Usually it's like 30 minutes to an hour. And this time he actually said what he meant. Okay, well, I guess we're done here. We're gonna go home. Cook some tacos. What do you think? I'm feeling tacos tonight. HelloFresh again, of course. Okay. Let's go home. Hello, happy Tuesday. It is the day before we leave to go on vacation. Well, technically 2 days before, but I'm on my way to go get a pedicure, and I haven't had a pedicure in a long time. Usually I do my own nails, I do my own toes, I do all that self-maintenance. I don't know, is that the proper word? I do all that shit. I'm gonna be late, I gotta go, let's go. Oh my goodness, we finally made it to Pittsburgh. Actually, the trip wasn't that long. It was just, we left like hours later than we planned. Please don't mind the lighting. I wanted to film on the way, but it was just like we were already so late and we're hurrying to get out the door. Lesson learned on how long it actually takes me to pack. Oh, and turns out I was waiting for Chris at the end of it all. Shocker. Everyone thinks it's always me that makes us late. No, Chris's mom actually paid for our stay here. We do everything ourselves, so this is just like a fun little treat for us. So, oh, he's coming back out. Okay. Oh, I'm in reverse. Enough of that. I'm the best parker. Let's get up to the room. Chris thinks that this is a bunch of shit.
With a whole backpack, a whole ass backpack too.
Yeah, that's including.
This is what I have.
Yeah, because you're a fucking mountain man. Oh my god, it's so cute in here. I like this tile so freaking much. I feel like all hotels should have this, a separate room for the toilet and the shower. We made it. The real travel day is tomorrow. Oh my god. Honestly, I look worse on camera than in real life. That's really cool. Okay. Let's settle. First stop of the day. Bagels. What do we got? Ruger's Bagels. I got the, what do they call it? Skinny bacon, avocado, and tomato with the everything bagel. Oh my god. Tell me that doesn't look absolutely delicious. Good morning.
We're gonna go watch the sunrise. We got 3 minutes.
Good morning, sunshine. Woke up early for a sunrise. filmed at Pittsburgh. No regrets. Had a really good time. Tired, burnt. Oh my god. Definitely got some sun. We should be home tonight.
We still have got masks?
Yeah. Woo! The end. I plan to like take my camera out and do some cool stuff, but oh, is it raining? But yeah, there was so much to do, so much to see that it was just too much. And it's so hot that taking the camera with us, like on the beach, was not gonna happen. We going now?
We need to go to the corner.
Oh, okay. All right, let's do it.